Good morning! I hope you're having a great Monday. If you notice, I am not in my usual location. I am making this video from my parents' house. They live out in Crum, Texas. If you wanted to look that up on the map, it's close to Denton, Texas, if you know where Denton is. Here's the things that I would like for you to be doing. One is make sure you're watching the Elliott Morning broadcast video. Two, whenever you get onto the Google Classrooms, make sure you're doing your hand chants. Three, I have given you 2 STEMscopes assignments. The first assignment is a closing in on science. That's where it gives you a sentence and you have to fill in the blank and click the right answer. And then the other thing that I'd like for you to do in STEMscopes is it's a little quiz. It's only 5 questions long. It'll happen really fast, short and sweet. Actually is another thing I'd like for you to do. I'd like for you to watch the YouTube videos, Mrs. Fisher reading Those Darn Squirrels. I started reading them in our Zoom sessions. If you've been coming to the Zoom meetings, I started reading those books. But it's just kind of taken longer than I thought it would. I did not realize that it was going to take so long to read this little book. I've given you the links so that you can watch Mrs. Fisher read it. If you had Mrs. Fisher, or maybe a sibling of yours had Mrs. Fisher, then you know how awesome she is. So enjoy those videos. Watch Those Darn Squirrels, because we're going to be talking about them in our Zoom session. Speaking of Zoom session, if I can get at least 40 of you to come to my Zoom sessions on Tuesday and Thursday, I am going to let my husband put a pie in my face. Pretty nervous about that. It'll be so worth it if I can get 40 of you to come. Mr. Cowan might dye his hair if we can get enough Zoom kids. And the color that has been tossed out was purple. So lots of things to look forward to. Please come to these Zooms, and I miss you. I'm here if you need anything. Reach out, Dojo, Google Classroom, email me. If your parents have my phone number, you can call me or text me with your parents. I'm here and I miss you and I love you. Have a great Monday.